Now here is how you can check if the 5G is enabled on your iPhone. Let's get started and let me show you where you can find it. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So the first way would be to literally check out the top edge of the display. So if I zoom it in like this, you can see that 5G is literally enabled because it lets me know about it. So what it really means is that I have the mobile data enabled, and you can see I'm disconnected from Wi-Fi, because if I reconnect, it's going to show me the Wi-Fi icon, meaning that I'm getting the internet through the router and not through mobile data. But if I disconnect and set up the mobile network, you can see if it says 5G or LTE or something else, right? So that is the first way to see if it's enabled. But outside of that, I think it's also a good idea to check out the settings, right? So let me just go to the settings app, and part of the cellular section, as long as you have the SIM card installed, you can see I can tap on the phone number, and for the voice and data, I can choose between 4G, which is LTE, the 5G on, and 5G auto. So that's like the whole point behind it. You can see that I can choose it in the settings, how it's going to work. If I want to make sure it's all the time, I select the on. If I want to make it automatically available, then I choose the first option, or I can stick with the LTE. So that's how it works. That's how you can set it up. And one last thing to know is that it might also depend on the carrier and the coverage. So that could also play a role in it as well. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.